Hey, it is Victoria, and welcome back to another video. So today's video, I want to show you guys everything that I do in order to grow my hair back quicker. So basically my nightly routine and everything that I do with my hair before I go to bed, and maybe even kind of into the morning. But so I've done videos on this before telling you guys exactly what I did, but I've never really showed you, and I feel like I'm more of a visual learner, and I assume that you guys are too because you're here on YouTube. So yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I do. If you're not caught up to speed with what's going on with my hair, I did ultimately end up going to the salon and getting 3 inches cut off my hair. So now I want to make my hair grow faster. I keep looking over here because I have all of the ingredients that I use in order for my hair to grow faster. So we really need to get on top of this, but I want to make it and show you guys so you can see and make it yourself. So the first thing that I'm going to share with you guys is the tea tree oil. The reason I like to use tea tree oil, if that will focus, but the reason I like to use tea tree oil is because tea tree oil is a great stimulant for the scalp for hair growth, because what it does is it increases the circulation to your scalp, and anything that increases circulation to the scalp is going to help stimulate new hair growth. So I love tea tree oil for that, and it's also a scalp clarifier, so it's also great for that. So I take this essential oil and I mix it with rosemary essential oil, looks like that, and I'll link everything for you guys in the description box. But with the rosemary oil, and this is probably my favorite oil for hair growth, if I was going to say I only had to use one oil, one product for hair growth, for rapid hair growth, it would be rosemary oil, because rosemary oil is so great for stimulating hair growth, and it's also very similar to minoxidil, which is the active ingredient in Rogaine. They did a study, I'll leave some links I guess in the description box so you guys can see it if you're interested in references or whatever, but they did research on this as a side-by-side with minoxidil, Rogaine, and the numbers were the same. This was just as strong as Rogaine. So I really love this in order to regrow hair where maybe you have baldness or maybe alopecia, things like that, and also to increase the amount of hair follicles that you have in your scalp. So I'll leave the information about rosemary oil below, because this is my baby. I love this. And then what I do is I take some peppermint essential oil. Now all of this I'm gonna mix together and use it as just one oil. But I take peppermint oil. I like peppermint oil because it also increases circulation to the scalp. You guys see the theme here? Anything that increases circulation to the scalp is gonna stimulate new hair growth. And then what I do is I take a carrier oil. You can use a jojoba oil, coconut oil, whichever you like. I like to use jojoba oil. I like to use coconut oil sometimes too, but tonight we're gonna use jojoba oil. And then I also take some aloe vera. I love aloe vera. You guys already know that if you've been following me for a while. I've always used this Walmart aloe vera, but I take this and mix it in. This is a great hair nourisher, and it's great for the scalp, and it does help to penetrate the shaft and to help your hair grow faster. And then I take castor oil. I usually use Jamaican black castor oil, but I'm out. And I typically use the Jamaican black castor oil in the scalp because that does help with getting thicker hair. What I'm gonna do tonight with this castor oil is I'm going to rub this at the tips of my hair before going to bed. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I do, so stay tuned. So basically what I do is I mix all of the oils in here along with the aloe, and I'll link in the description box where you guys can pick one of these up or get this. But I like these droppers because I could just take this syringe here and then just glide it onto my scalp. So it's very convenient in that way. But guys, this has been working so well for me for so many years. As you guys know, I shaved my hair a while back, and this is where I came from, and this is where I was. I'm about 3 inches shy of that. So now I'm gonna get back to that, and I'm gonna do it in real time on this channel so you guys can see, because I had a lot of naysayers about this particular process. But anyway, so let's mix everything together. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna take a little syringe like so. Everything that I'm mentioning, because I feel like I keep saying the same thing, everything that I'm mentioning that you see, anything that I hold up, I'm gonna leave a link for it in the description box so you can pick it up. But so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take some rosemary oil. I feel like I should have the ratios. Oh, it does have it on here. So about 2 milliliters. So I'm gonna take rosemary. Yep, 2 milliliters, like that. The tea tree oil, also 2 milliliters. Now with the peppermint oil, I'll use a lot less because it's very, very tingly. And I'll only use maybe about a half of a milliliter. Now I'm gonna take my huge jug of aloe. I always find this aloe to be so funny because when I show you guys in videos, it's like bigger than my head. But I feel like it's just such an obnoxious size of aloe, but it's only like $7 at Walmart. So yeah, it's worth it. So this is what it should look like with just the oils and the aloe. Now the only thing we have to do now is add a carrier oil. Whenever you are using essential oils, always make sure you're using a carrier oil or you will burn your scalp. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add my jojoba oil. Now that I have all my oils in here, I just make sure that I shake it up really, really well to make sure all of the oils are distributed evenly. And you'll start to see the aloe kind of separate from the oils because oil and water doesn't mix. And so yeah, I just love to when that happens because it looks so pretty to me. So basically what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna separate my hair and just put this all throughout my scalp, and then I'll show you guys exactly how I do my scalp massage because that is also a very important part in making sure that this penetrates the scalp and making sure that your blood is circulating to your scalp the way that it should. So I'm just gonna take the dropper like this and just slide this into my hair and get it all over my scalp like so. And you can put your hair in sections if you want to. I don't find it necessary, like I can feel the oils because as I'm putting it in my hair, I can feel it dripping and spreading throughout the rest of my scalp. So it's just not necessary for me. I have a very small head, but if you have a bigger head, then you can go ahead and you can separate your hair if you want to, but I don't need to do that. Now guys, make sure you are putting this directly onto your scalp. Some of it will get on your hair and that's fine, but we're not aiming for our hair. We're aiming for the scalp because that's the part that we're trying to stimulate new hair growth. And if you have shorter hair, because I remember doing this after I shaved my head, all of your hair is gonna be soaked in this and that's okay too. But just as long as you're aiming for your scalp. I feel it tingling already. I love this. So I have pretty much gotten this all over my head, guys. And what I'm gonna do now is scalp massage. Scalp massage is great for your hair just in general because it also increases circulation to the scalp. But what we're gonna do is an inverted scalp massage while we rub these oils into the scalp. So an inverted scalp massage is basically when you flip your head over, and we're gonna do that together right now. All right, so now what I'm gonna do from here is just flip my hair over, and this is called the inversion method, like this. And what this does is it brings all the blood to your scalp, and I'm just gonna rub this in my scalp in circular motions for 3 minutes. Now, if you do this and you start getting lightheaded, get up. Don't do it anymore. I don't want anyone to say Victoria made them faint. If you get lightheaded or anything, just stop. Don't do it. That scalp massage always makes my hair look so huge. You guys used to ask me in my older videos, how do I get my hair so big? That was how. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some castor oil at the ends of my hair. What that's gonna do is protect my hair when I'm about to put it in this, before I put it in the scarf. So the castor oil is gonna basically make it so that I don't have any breakage when I sleep. Just take some castor oil, pour it on your hand like that. Light it on the ends of my hair. Just like that. And I take that and do that in every section. Now, if you guys remember, I did the hair growth challenge twice where we all got together and on Instagram to grow our hair together. So I want to do that again. So make sure you follow me on Instagram at @a_beauty_beast because I want to, and send me a DM if you want to join. That was the whole purpose of me saying that. Because I want to do the hair growth challenge again, because I love to see you guys with the results. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put my hair up in a pineapple like so. And if you have shorter hair, that's fine. You just wrap it in a scarf. But let me find a hair bow, 1 second. Okay, I got it. I was totally unprepared for this video. I wasn't planning on filming, and I usually do this in the bathroom. But so I'm just gonna take my hair and put it in a pineapple like this. Or I guess not even a pineapple, just a bun. And I leave my ends exposed because this is the part of my hair that I do not want to get any friction while I'm asleep. But I'm gonna tell you guys about my pillowcase anyway. Now I'm gonna put a scarf on my head, just out of habit because it typically comes off my hair anyway. But I'm gonna put it there for extra measure. And if you guys have a better wrapping suggestion than this for me, because it always typically falls off my hair. But what I like to do is I like to leave this out of the scarf, the ends of my hair, and do the rest like so. And this is how I look when I go to bed. But yeah, so once you have everything up, and if you have shorter hair, that's fine. When I say shorter hair, I mean hair that won't flip over into a bun, that's fine. When I first started doing this, I just put a scarf on my head. But now what I do is I use a silk pillowcase. And so I have this and I'll sleep on a silk pillowcase. And that is it, guys. That is it. This is my nightly hair growth routine. I can guarantee you that my hair is gonna grow so fast because I'm gonna do this religiously like I did in the past, and I've shown you guys in the past. Please send me a message on Instagram if you want to join the hair growth challenge. Oh, and I have a giveaway. I wanted to give away one of these hair growth serums. I should have said at the beginning of the video. I'll probably edit it and put it at the beginning of the video so you guys can know. But I actually make these hair growth serums, but with the Jamaican black castor oil instead of the clear castor oil, and some other fun stuff like biotin and biobab and things like that that really help with nourishing and making your hair grow fast. So check out my store. It's called velacreme.com, and today I will be giving one away. So all you have to do to win this is just leave in the comment section, I want that, and share this video with a friend. Give me a thumbs up showing that you like this video, and I'll randomly select a winner. If you guys have any questions for me, please be sure to leave it in the comment section below, and I'll get back to it as soon as possible. Or you could just send me a DM on Instagram. Again, that is at @a_beauty_beast, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.